Today's episode of In the Kitchen with the Greater Fort Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival, presented by Visit Lauderdale, brings us to Margaritaville's Hollywood Beach Resort. Today, Chef Louis shows me how to make an amazing tomahawk steak. What do you love about Greater Fort Lauderdale, Broward County?
Like most, I wasn't born here, but I gravitated here, and I would tell you that just the overall feel of the quality of life that we're able to live down here, obviously the weather, and being able to look at the ocean is something that's, you don't take it for granted, that's for sure.
To learn more about Margaritaville and other resorts just like it across Broward County, check out sunny.org.